Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick video, I will show you exactly how to add photos to your Zillow listing using the latest 2025 method. Whether you're a first-time lister or just updating your post, this is going to be super simple, so stick around till the end. So let's jump right in. First, open up the Zillow Rental Manager app on your phone. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a few menu options. Tap on Properties. Now find the property listing you want to update. Next to it, there is an Edit button to go ahead and tap that. On the listing screen, scroll down to find the Photos and Media section. To the right, you'll see the Add or Edit option. Tap that. Now in the top right corner, you'll see a button that says Add Photos. Tap it. Choose the photos you want to upload from your phone's gallery. Once you have selected them, tap Done. And that is it. Your listing will now show the new photos. Super easy, right? If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more quick tech fixes. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.